I switch off my alarm. I switch off my alarm. I pull open the curtains. I pull open the curtains. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I make my bed. I make my bed. I grab my towel. I grab my towel.
I brush my teeth carefully. I wash my face with water. I apply some moisturizer. I apply some moisturizer.
I put on fresh clothes. I put on fresh clothes.
I tie my shoelaces tightly. I pour myself a cup of coffee.
I toast a slice of bread. I toast a slice of bread.
I cut a banana into pieces. I spread butter on my toast.
I pack my bag for the day. I pack my bag for the day.
I quickly check my phone. I fill up my water bottle. I fill up my water bottle. I lock the door before leaving. I walk down the stairs. I wait at the bus stop. I tap my card to enter. I find a comfortable seat. I find a comfortable seat.
I look outside through the window.
I plug in my earphones. I get off the bus at my stop.